Greetings and salutations. My name is Tish and welcome to the Artist Haven, where home plus art equals heart. In today's video, I am going to do a double cup pour using the lid to a core water bottle. I've got my paints all ready, so let's get down to it. Alright, so for today's video, I'm going to be using the last of my Artist Loft black that's in this picture, well, measuring cup, picture, whatever. And then I'm going to do this all in metallics, just because I can. And so I'm going to be using Artist Loft Metallic Gold, Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, I'm going to be using Artist Loft Copper, Artist Loft Metallic Purple, and Artist Loft Metallic Bronze. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to fill up the center circle. That's, this one's kind of dirty and I don't have another one handy. I need to go buy some more water. But I'm going to pour to the inner circle here, the cap part that actually goes on the actual bottle, not the pretty part that goes around the top. I'm going to put all the color in there. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of gold here. Okay, now that we got the center poured, I'm going to take the black and pour it around the edge and over the top. Okay, that should be enough. I hope so, because I only have a spot left of black. So I don't make a mess, I am going to put the canvas on top of the cup, hold it firm, and flip it over. So let's shut this down without moving it too much. There we go. And I'm going to let that sit there for a couple of minutes. So I let this sit here for, it's been about 5-6 minutes. I had to go get some juice because, yeah, me and juice are friends. So I was letting that sit, and we're going to pick this baby up as straight up as we can. Here we go. All right. Now, I like this, and I'm afraid it's gonna all just not be there. But we're gonna torch it real quick and see what happens. Alright, now let's tilt this. And I'm going to torch this one more time. I don't want to put it down too hard because it's still got wet paint down there. I am going to take out my skewer here just for a moment. Alright, let's let this sit for 15-20 minutes and see what it looks like after we're done. Okay, it's been about 10-15 minutes and this turned out amazeballs. I really enjoyed this painting. If you found value in this video, please smash that like button. And if you like this video and would love to see more, please click that subscribe button and click that little notification bell. That will let you know when we go live on our channel and when we upload new content. Thanks for joining me. Peace, love, and happiness.